Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka menteri jongka Sorkar Jylla ka bakhmi yakatanat ka kot ka khia ka Doktor Ampareen lingdo ha ka santarik uremphang arajar arpsan kala pentip ba ka Sorkar kandang Thung shushu bon ki doktor specialist. Ha bakran sikilar pathai gubor kala ong ba kini gisan ba nrius nam nang ni shakman ka Meghalaya kan omma chu ya ka jingkerdu doktor hadien ba ka Shillong bat ka Tura Medical College kalasdang bantrikam.
Now cabinet has come up with certain notifications which are probably need a review. Say for example, no appointments to certain slabs of employees without cabinet approval. So we cannot give other than contractual appointments to certain categories of specialists. This could include not only doctors, we're looking at lab technicians, we're looking at nurses, we're looking at all of them, because if you're going to hire somebody on a contract basis, we need to be careful about their privileges. We need to be concerned about all of that. So we are about to recruit specialists again after having taken this to the attention of the Honorable Chief Minister and getting the necessary financial approvals for contractual appointments. So we are on the job. I'm not too sure about which are the critical departments, but I can just name a few: anesthesis, pediatrics, then we also have surgery, we also have neurology, we also have nephrology. These are the important departments which need attention immediately and urgently. We're on the job, and once everything is processed and is in order, we will be recruiting more specialists. And like I keep saying, the medical college is going to happen. 5 years down the line, you and I will probably not be having this interview, because we would have gone way ahead of coverage. Not only are we starting the MBBS program, we've also been advised to have the senior residencies, the junior residencies, the specializations, the MD programs all running simultaneously. Meghalaya now will not have this shortage a good 6 years down the line. We must start. Already the US TM has begun its program. There also we're going to have very big advantages, because bonds signed with them are conditioned by government supervision. So all of that will go to good stead, and we will be in a better position.
Coming to those doctors who sign a bond with the state government.
Already been on this page before. We have said governments sponsored MBBS candidates are obligated to return home and serve the people of the state. We stand by that. Nothing in that has changed. Now the only thing is, we need to zero down and find out whether or not an MBBS student who has gone on a state-sponsored seat also has to sign a bond with their corresponding colleges. So if somebody is going to UP for MBBS on a sponsored candidate seat, they likely will also have their obligations there. So we are now trying to figure this out. But the moment our own medical college comes and starts rolling out its courses and its programs, we will not be discussing this shortfall in a very few years. It's good we're starting. Hence, we're determined to start.
Ma'am, can you also give us a number?
No, so now we are not only working with Chennai. We've also started short-term specialization certified courses with other institutes. Now we're also looking at a few other institutes. If my memory serves me right, we have also signed with Apollo for certain specializations. We have also signed with few other institutes, but I need time to be briefed properly so that I don't give wrong information.
Kapor kaladay, bapinjit yaki MDC jongpi siya Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, bat ka Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council. Ayu kinle lada ki job, ka Thung, ka bakidon, ki kiman, ki bakongsan, ki bakibu hakman. Kita kide ki jingkeli, ki bapidon kamman yo ya ka jubab, haswa, bapin lek man tap ya ka vote jongpi haka arpuway tarik urampang arajar arpusan. Baik ya ka program, markman, bat ki kertong.